guys, we're going to learn how to do a waltz jump on roller skates. A waltz jump is where you're going to rotate to the left-hand side, standing on your left foot, skating forward, balancing. You'll bend. When you jump, you're going to bring your right knee forward, arms together, rotate, and then land on your right foot backwards, and then check. So, from the side, standing on your left foot, arms are going to be in an L position with your left arm forward, right arm to the side as well, kind of the same way that your legs are. As you bend, when you jump, your right arm and your right leg come together and it twists around, turning, landing backwards on your right skate with your left foot forward, checking your rotation by stopping your rotation with your core, and then a nice pretty landing, okay? So it is jumping up off the ground with a rotation to the left-hand side. So here we go, this is what it looks like. So you want to make sure when you land that you stop the rotation by contracting your core, keeping your hips and your shoulders square so that you can give a nice pretty landing at the end. And that is how you do a waltz jump.